Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm NyiZaw. Now I will share about how to start earning in YouTube short videos. But to receive ads revenue, you must accept new terms, and if you are already in YouTube partner program, I will show you step by step. Let's dive in. So as you see here, action require accept new terms to stay in the YouTube partner program and start earning short revenues. Click review and accept. Step 1, review. Click review. Scroll down a little bit, accept the base term and accept again. And then second step, review. Scroll down and then you have to click again, tick and then accept. Then you have to submit. Click go turn on. You can earn from ads and YouTube Premium in the short feeds. Shorts is similar to TikTok videos and the Reels in Instagram. And please click here, turn on, and then scroll down. You have to accept, tick, and then click here, accept. Alright guys, finally you can earn money from YouTube short videos. I hope you may enjoy this video. And if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.